video though. You wouldn't want to fall on this rock. The adventure continues, and Stephen has now taught me how to come down, make sure I get my handholds, but come down sideways or even on my butt, which I'm still learning how to do the on the butt program. But coming down sideways gives me a chance to look ahead, see where I have to go. We've gone up, and now we're going down. And going down is, Stephen says it's a little easier, but I'm not so sure.
Less tiring.
Well, less tiring.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Stephen.
Once you get the hang of the butt program, it'll be easier.
Okay, well, I'll work on the butt program next time then. Okay. All right, let's keep going.